Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Good to see you again. So what we're going to do today is we're actually going to take a quick look at adding our domain name WordPressForOldPeople.com to our website. So up till now we've been working with this temporary domain name, which is good, but I think I'm ready to go ahead and change the domain name over now. And that way we can continue building the website on the actual domain name, because that's what I'd like to do. So the first thing you're going to do is log into your account at GoDaddy, and then you go to your product screen, and then you've got your Manage WordPress. I'm sure you know how to do that by now. And then that logs you in to your actual Manage WordPress dashboard. And then once you're here, you've got these three dots over here. These guys, you'll see change domain, and then also settings. The settings button here, they'll both take you to change the domain name, but you click on change domain, and then you have a green button here off to the side, add domain. And then if your domain name is here in your account, you can go ahead and add it from just this drop down menu here, and you just click on it, and then you'll get a drop down and you can select your domain name. You can also go ahead and type in a domain or use a domain name that's somewhere else. So you would just type that in here, and then it gives you criteria. Make sure domain name is valid, does not contain www, not already hosted with the current site, not already hosted elsewhere. So we could even type WordPressForOldPeople.com, but it's actually I had to go back and shoot this little portion, so sorry, the domain name is already attached. But another one is WeMoveWebsites.com is another domain name that I have. So that is how you would enter your domain name manually if you were, like, let's say your domain name was with like Network Solutions or something, and then you can, or 1&1 or HostGator or whoever else, and then it tells you this option will require you to update your DNS record to this, and then you go over to wherever you're at, be it Network Solutions, 1&1, HostGator, any of those other guys, and you say, hey, I need to update my A record, or they'll have a support article on updating their A record, or you could watch one of my other videos and I'm sure you could work out how to add an A record from some of that information. But that's how you would enter your domain name if it is somewhere else. And my domain name is here, so if I open this up, you can see it is here, WordPress for Old People. Kerpow. And then there's this box down here, make this the primary domain for your account. You click that, and then you got the add button over here. And that's it. That's going to change over our domain name, and in a couple of minutes we'll be able to see the website that we're building on the actual domain name. We'll be able to see it. So that way we'll be able to go through the rest of the tutorials, and we'll be able to see our website coming up. I don't know why that says website coming soon, but let's go ahead and take a look at WordPressForOldPeople.com and see if it's ready yet. Holy cow, it's already ready already. So look at that. This is what we've been building on our temporary domain name, and now it's all moved over to our real domain name. You can see it there, WordPress for Old People. That's outstanding. I still have to fix my box over here, but we'll work on that in the upcoming videos. Now let's say that you wanted your website to be www, because you'll notice that I put my website on just the root domain wordpressforoldpeople.com. So if you want to use the www, then you come back to this dashboard here, and in the settings, make primary domain plus www. So you would click that. Now, I don't want to use the W's actually. I'm going to pass on using the W's for right now. But if you wanted to do that, this is where you do it. You just click that button, and it's going to go through the almost the same process as when we change the domain name. So that's that. Thanks again for tuning in, everybody. I appreciate you coming back and checking out my videos. Also, go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm going to be coming out with these videos more regularly and get everybody up to speed on how to create awesome blogs with WordPress for old people. So again, thank you. Like, subscribe, and I will see you very soon.